Hello, everyone. So week 3, we will talk about terminating and repeating decimals. And so this is like a really dense subject, actually. This is not an easy subject to touch down in like 5 minutes. So I decided to do this. I will introduce you what is terminating, what is repeating decimals, and then I will post another application video where I will solve questions and share with you some clues and tips to make it easier. However, in this short video, I will tell you what is terminating decimals, what is repeating decimals. And I will solve a few problems, but as you can see, I won't solve all of these questions. I am showing you these because you can anytime stop me, snip and tool, use the snip and tool, snipping tool, and then cut this, solve it by yourself and send it to me, and I will grant you the points for one of the focus skills that you didn't do for this week. Okay, so if you do this, if you solve this exercise, it's still something you are doing, like you are working. So I will grant that. However, you need to solve it on a paper and show me, take a picture of it and send it to me. Okay, anyways, let's start. Decimals are so important. You see decimals every day. With your money, you go to a restaurant, you go to any fast food place. The money that they give you, it's $5.49, $5.99, $6.99, $19.99. Why? Why 99? It is an easier way to manipulate people's behavior because they think. So usually, human brain focus on the numbers before the decimal point, and so that is how it happens. Like they manipulate. Oh, it's not $20, it's just $19 and something cents. So that kind of thing. So you will see this all the time. And in order to not get manipulated, you should know how to actively use decimals and fractions. Fractions are important because it's very easy to work with these. And even though most of you think that fractions are not friendly, they are very friendly. They are actually more friendlier than decimals or in any other form of explaining whole and part situation. Decimals are representing a whole part, parts of whole in a different way. So in this one, the important thing is place values. So we will work with place values. Place values means I do write it, but my tablet is getting old and tells me that I need to stop using it. Place values are telling you the values of the numbers. So yes, numbers. What do you mean, Miss? Well, you learned this in elementary school, so probably most of you are not asking this question. But every number has a value in the digits that they are placed. So what do I mean? I am saying if I am talking about 33, this 3 and this 3 has a difference because one of them is 3, the value is really 3, and then the other one, the value is 30. So the values of the numbers tells us what is going on with that number. It's almost like fortune telling from your palms. Like it tells you everything. If you they say so, I don't believe it, but they say so. So it's kind of like that. By looking at the place value, you will see this numbers past and then future and everything about it. Okay, so it is important. And what do I mean? Like, okay, I know that. What is this? And then I will put it by decimal point, and this 7 and this like regular 7 in here has a difference because this one is 0.7. And so these place values have names, and I did share, I will share you in the other video. Like I said, we will have an application with that, but for now, you know this is ones, tens, sorry, tens. Okay. And then this one is tenths. the letters that I can't really pronounce. I don't know why Turkish people are really having a hard time to make th sound. Uh, so that's the sound that I can't make, okay? Tenths. And this one is hundredths. Not hundreds with D, it's hundredths, okay? Um, okay, that's how we have the place values. Anyways, after touching a little bit, talking about place values, now we can talk about what is decimals. Again, decimals are telling you the part of a whole. So if I'm talking about this 33 is the whole, and then there is a little bit of a residue, which I am, and which you don't see. I don't know why. This 79 has, tells something else. That means 33 is not 33. It's a little bit larger than 33 because it has 0.79. It is closer to 34. So that is telling us. Anyways, what is terminating decimal means? Terminating. What do you do when I say terminate? What do you understand? Done. Finish. If I am saying 1/2, I am talking about 0.5. This number is done. It is there. It is terminated. There is nothing more after this 5. There's no value. You can add 0, 0, 0, but it is done. That's the number. Everything is in front of you, and you know that it is not a really tricky number. It's 0.5. Okay, half. So then, but I am giving you this. Actually, this. 3/10. Okay, what is this? 3/10. 3/10. Miss, I don't know what is this. Is this a terminating one or not? It's terminating. I talk like I talk suspensefully, but it is terminating. Why? Because I basically put 3 on the tenths, and this is the tenths. As you can see, the tenths, you saw it, and it's like this. Okay, 1 digit, you shift, you write the number, and then if you are dividing by 10, 100, 12, you go this to the left 1 digit if there's 1 0, and then if there's 2 0, which is 100, then you move 2 place values, and then it will become 0.03. Okay, so that is also terminating. But then what is not terminating, miss? What is repeating? Repeating means, you all know this. For instance, if I do this, as you can see, 2's are repeating, and I put dot 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 because it is repeating. Okay, and how do I show this, by the way? Because the repeating number is 2, I put a bar on it, and that's the repeating decimal. Then what do I do? Another repeating decimal. What is it? If I say this, for instance, 4 6 7 6 7 6. Okay, so what is repeating in here? I am saying 6 and 7 is repeating. So then I can write this number 0.467 and put a bar on 6, 7. Okay, not on 4 because 4 is not repeating. Then I will have another number for you. For instance, if I have 1 2 3 3 3 3, well, in this one 12 is not repeating, 3 is repeating, so 0.1 2 3 and put a bar on 3. Okay, whatever the number repeats, we put a bar on it to write it easily. Then what the most famous one is, though, 22/7. What is this number? This is the pi. We all love pie. I don't love pie like baked pie. I like cakes more. I don't know. I'm not a pie person. Anyways, pies are in my country more savory than sweet. Maybe that's why. I don't know. Anyways, but I like the math pie because it's the most mysterious number. It has been centuries still. Nobody come up with an really explanation. This number has an end and it is this. It's still getting discovered and there are still mysteries about it. So that's why we love pi. There is also natural number, but I'm not going to talk about that. Anyways, so these are repeating decimals. I give you just a guess of it, just a little bit. What is repeating? What is terminating? When do you understand terminates? A number is terminates. And what is it like repeating decimals? And how do you represent those? These are the most important parts. And I did share with you. I will have an application video which I will solve these ones. And so you will have an easier time what's going on with this kind of thing. Okay, I hope you like all the video. I will see you next week. I also will share actually with you. Let's see. I'll stop sharing this. Stop sharing and then share this one. Yeah, share. Oop. Okay, I think you all see it, and then I will make this whole page, and you will see this lesson in here, and then weekly announcement video will be here, and my links are here. So if you need me, please contact me on Teams or phone or office hour links, anywhere that you can reach me. I will appreciate and I will like that if you're asking questions. If there's a mistake, please share with me. If you don't like something with the video, please tell me so I can fix it in the next weeks. Have a good week. Bye bye.